Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I know it's been a minute, especially with all of us in quarantine. It's been pretty boring, but let me know how your quarantine has been going down below in the comment section. I would love to hear. If you have any video ideas you would like to see me doing, then make sure you let me know down below too, because I have plenty of time now. I'm sorry I'm looking a little crusty. This is just what quarantine has done to me, but you know, I can still put a little lip gloss on for you, because you know. But today I'm going to be doing a hair video. My goal was to do like a 613 2730 kind of mix. I'm gonna show you what those colors look like in just a second. But before we get into the video, make sure you guys hit that like button and make sure you subscribe to my channel for more videos. So let's get into this video.
I want my, and if you can't, I want my, and if you can't, I want my, and if you care, done. I want my, I want my, I want my nails done. I want my, I want my, I want my, I want my hair done, my hair, and if you care, done.
Okay, so for those of you that don't know, 613 is this color right here, and then I'm gonna add in some 27, which is kind of this color right here. And then I'm gonna do a little bit of 30, which is this color right here. So by doing that, since it's very hard to get 613, I'm gonna start off with that color. So I have this wig that I worn for New Year's. I already have the roots brown. This is how I was looking. Okay, period, poo. So I had this hair from New Year's. I'm gonna let you know, my sister got me this hair for Christmas. So I'll link the hair in the description. It doesn't shed. It kept the curl pattern very nicely. And it's like so thick and full, like, okay sis. So I have that hair, and then for the 27, I'm gonna use Spice Amber by Adore, because Adore is just bomb. And then for the 30, I'm going to use Honey Brown. So 61327, let's go. So I found a picture that I like, because I wasn't really sure what kind of look I was exactly going for. I didn't know like how I wanted to divide the colors up, but I think I'm mostly going to do like 27, so like 60% 27, and then like 30% 613, and then like 10% 30. So it's like very little low lights of the 30 in there, but enough just like tone it down a little bit. You know what I'm saying? I hope so. So yeah, let's just get into the video. All right, so I I tested out these two colors before and they look different than how they're coming out now. I didn't realize there was so much hair on this wig that I was thinking if I just poured it on there then I might run out. So that's what I'm trying to watercolor. But they're kind of, I don't know if you can see, they're kind of turning out the same color right now. So I'm scared if I do the whole hair watercoloring, then it's not really going to turn out how I want it to. So I think I might add in another rinse, the sienna brown, just to kind of give it a little darker. But I mean, if it's mostly like this light brown color with the 613 highlights, I'll still be happy about it, which I think I might end up doing now that I think about it. So I guess I don't really know how this is going to turn out. I'm just honestly experimenting. So let's just see.